Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share you another meme coin. But before that, let me remind you, this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. Okay guys, so this is the Shi meme coin. I'm no one Shih Tzu Unleash. Shiba was a moment, guys. So if you know this, what Shiba is. And then this is the new one, the Shih Tzu is the new era, guys. Okay, so it has a loyalty, patience, and a power. Shiba was Japan hunter, while the Shih Tzu was the China's guardian, guys. One chase, the other watch. No white paper, no unlocks, no devs, and just presence. This isn't a launch, it's a return, guys. So the tokenomic has a 1 billion supply information right here. BSC chain or network, guys, zero tax and LP burn. Also, the contract address is available on their website. So live price is 0.002147. Volume within 24 hours is 8,000 USD, guys. Okay. The liquidity has a 69,082.47. What can you do to help Shi? Just post some memes about here. Honor the dynasty, build quiet templates or temples of loyalty. The loyalty, especially patience, power, small dog, a big mission. What matters what you build around it. The pack, the story, and the presence, guys. So how can you buy this Shiba or Shih Tzu token, guys? Okay, so just create a wallet, your MetaMask wallet, get BNB, swap for Shi, and then hold it, guys. So if you want to buy this one, click the link on my description down below and click the buy button, and then the pancake swap will be pop up, guys, and then your MetaMask will be automatic connected, guys. Okay, so for every 10 USDT, guys, so keep in mind that you don't need to copy the contract address. It's already on the pancake swap, guys. Okay, you will have at least 46,230, guys. Okay, plus the gas fee amount of the Shi. On their social, guys, okay, so Shiba was a moment, okay, from the spark to the momentum is building, conviction is growing step by step forward. The path ahead is clear, guys. So just follow this Twitter. It has a post again. She arrives at by economy. She is built by the community. She will be the next Shiba Inu, guys. Okay. In the coin market, it's already right here if you want to buy or play with this token, guys. It goes down a bit, but I think it has a safe area here, guys, at 0.0020. Okay, so this is the coin market. Available on PancakeSwap, Axendex, BTCC, and Grovex, guys. Okay, so this is the Shi. It has a different social here. Available on Dex Screener. It has a YouTube channel also, guys. Okay, just subscribe to Shi BSC. And it has a TikTok, a CoinMarketCap, Telegram also available, guys. So this is the Telegram of Shi. If you want to join, just click the link on my description down below. And then the website will pop up, guys. Twitter, TikTok. So this is their Twitter. Just follow the Twitter, guys. Okay. It has many shorts posts here. So 25. So this is the Shih Tzu, guys. So do you know Professor Shi? Millionaire Mats, 1 million Shi. Okay. It has a different post on YouTube, guys. So I think some investor will read here and support this Shi, guys. So keep in mind that the crypto has a risk, guys. Always do your own research before doing anything else, guys. Okay, so I'm here just for reviewing and sharing this new meme coin to you, guys. But you are the one that needs to have the decision if you want to go or not here in the Shi, guys. Okay, so again, this is Crypto Hussein, guys, for another crypto review, guys. So without further ado, guys, that's all. This is Crypto Hussein. Bye-bye.